The roof. Early lead is taken by Regal Chip on the outside. Moving up Livingstone by the Rail King's Dominion. Magic Keys by the Rail Fort. And nearing the far turn, it's Livingstone in the lead. Regal Chip is on the outside. King's Dominion is racing in third. And moving up Magic Key. Devil Racing on the outside. Princess Tokai. Past the last 600, it's still Livingstone in the lead. Regal Chip is on the outside. And as they turn for home, it's still Livingstone in the lead. Regal Chip on the outside, King's Dominion. It's still Livingstone in the lead, followed by Regal Chip in second on the outside. And cut made by the Rail Magic Key. Moving up is Star of Manel. It's still Livingstone, Star of Manel by the Rail, Katmay. It's Livingstone, Katmay moving up by the Rail. It's now Katmay takes the lead. And finally Katmay, Livingstone, Star of Manel, King's Dominion. Then comes number 11, Regal Chief for your Pentapecta.